Jojo! Get over here now! I noticed that this little banty got out again. And that little chicken and that chicken have been at war with each other. I figured that little chicken would get killed by that big old giant chicken. But just like the leghorn, this little guy got out to fight. 'Cause he ain't playing no game. Little Banty ain't playing. Come on, Banty. Come here, little Banty. Come here. Yeah, I know you're trying to get some of that thing. Juju! No. You're trying to get some of that loving. Juju, stop. I said no. Easy. Let's see what's his leg. The leghorn don't see him as a threat, I guess. Juju. Juju, easy. He's a baby. Easy. He's just a baby. Just a baby. You don't want no drama. Sure you do. I just don't understand how this rooster got bigger. This rooster, the weirdest thing I ever seen was this little guy. Whoop up. Stay. Stay. Sit play. Easy, Gigi. Easy. Billy, stop. That rooster just tried to beat up Juju. Good boy, Juju. I want to show how that Banny's gonna whip that big chicken. Juju, Belly, easy. Easy. Juju, stay! Stay, Juju. There we go. Stay! Stay! That little chicken, that little rooster keeps attacking that big chicken. Like every chance it gets. Juju, no. Juju, stay. I don't want that little rooster to attack my dog. Because I don't know how Juju. This is the first time Juju's seen that little guy. Stay. Come on, let's pick you up. Pick you up. Here. Stay, Juju. Stay. Stay, Juju. There you go. Man, you're a tough little boy. You ain't playing. That guy went over there and he bossed that big old rooster. He put that old rooster in a check, boy. He ran that big ass rooster off, boy. I tell you what, I never seen a little rooster, big rooster run so fast. You got scared, huh? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You know, just run at your ass. Did you? Now come here, he's scared of me. But he runs from the big little one. I love you.